Unpacking Packed Lunch, a bite-sized English lesson. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to unravel the layers of a common English phrase you might have heard around lunchtime. Packed lunch. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's dig in and get a taste of this flavorful expression. A packed lunch refers to a meal that you prepare at home and take with you, usually to work or school, in a container or lunchbox. It's an alternative to buying lunch or eating out. Think of it as a little piece of home to fuel your day. What goes into a packed lunch? It can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. A typical packed lunch might include a sandwich, some fruit, a drink, and maybe a treat for dessert. The key is that it is self-contained and easy to carry. Why choose a packed lunch? It's often healthier and more affordable than eating out. Plus, it gives you control over what you're eating, and it's a great way to use leftovers. Packing your lunch can be a smart choice for both your wallet and your waistline. In different cultures, packed lunches have their own unique twists. In Japan, a bento is a form of packed lunch that is not only delicious but also an art form. Meanwhile, in the UK, a packed lunch might be affectionately called a sarnie and a crisp meal. And that wraps up our little lesson on packed lunch. I hope this video has given you some food for thought and you're now ready to pack your own. Remember, a packed lunch is more than just a meal, it's a slice of home. Until next time, happy learning and bon appétit!